So it's Christmas Eve, and what are you going to be making? Now, we tend to do something along the lines of some gammon and some nibbles and, just have some crusty bread and that kind of thing. But I know a lot of people like a takeaway, or they like, a Chinese style dinner as their Christmas Eve meal. So I came up with this idea. We all love Chinese salt and pepper chips, so why not make Chinese salt and pepper roast potatoes? And on the side is a lovely Chinese curry dipping sauce. So these are kind of the sort of thing you can put in the middle of the table and everyone can just kind of dive in and give them a dip, along with a nice drink. Something like that for Christmas Eve. Or of course you could make more of a buffet. You could do a curry alongside this and some rice and everything. So the idea is there for you. It's up to you how you execute it. But let's go and make this delicious dish. And please don't forget to hit the like button for me and subscribe to my channel as well. And if you are interested in any of my cookbooks, they're available on my website, www.susannahskitchen.uk. I've got my potatoes in here, they're all peeled, and I have chopped those into either halves, or some of them I've chopped into thirds, just depending on the size, but you can kind of see the rough idea of the sizing that I've got there. You can make yours bigger or smaller, it's not really going to matter too much, but obviously it is going to adjust your cook time a little bit. So we're going to put this onto sear and saute, but just to speed things up, I'm going to cover these with water. And this water is from my kettle, so that's boiling. Literally, I've just boiled that, and that's going to really get those cooking. Just want to soften them, so it's the same as parboiling on your hob. Of course, you could put these under pressure if you want to, so it's entirely up to you. Either way is going to work really, really well. But that's how I'm choosing to do it today, just so I can start prepping everything else. This is an absolutely beautiful idea. Well, I think it is, for Christmas Eve. Now, I don't know what you like to eat on Christmas Eve, but I like it to be a little bit different to what I'm having the next day. So this has got some spices in it. So it's my Chinese salt and pepper roast potatoes. So instead of chips, we're making little mini roasties. Serve it with whatever you like. I'm going to go with a Chinese curry sauce on the side. So it's got that lovely kind of curry element to it, Chinese element to it, which I think is quite nice for Christmas Eve. You can even put like a chicken curry on the side as well if you want it to be sort of a bigger meal. But I think this is quite nice as a sort of little dippy, have a few drinks in the evening, kind of picky food. And I think that's a really nice thing, because you don't want anything too heavy, because then the next day you're going to be having tons of food. So I'm going to come back. I'm going to go and prep my peppers. You don't really need to see me doing that. I'm just going to remove the inners, the seeds, and chop those up. And then I'm just going to give these, they're probably going to need sort of 10 minutes, I would guess. I will just add a little bit of salt into these as well. So potatoes had about 10 minutes, and I have just drained those. Got a little bit of potato in my pot there, just get that out. I think we are ready to go. So what I'm going to do is, on sear and saute, I'm just going to heat this oil up. You can put it onto bake, you can put it onto air fry, you can do as you wish really. I'm just going to heat a little bit of that oil through. I want to make sure I have got enough oil. I know it's not good for you, but it's Christmas and we want these to go really nice and crispy. So I'm just using a vegetable oil actually in this recipe, but again, you can use whatever oil you wish to. Just going to heat that up. Then we're going to toss the potatoes into it, and we're going to get those on to bake. Here come the potatoes. So I'm going to turn off the sear and saute. I'm just coating those potatoes in the oil. Now, we're not going to add any flavourings at this stage. The flavourings are going to come later. So let's get those onto bake. So whilst my potatoes are cooking, I'm just giving them a toss every now and again. I may just let them cook a little bit lower. So I've got them on 180 for now, and then I might just turn them up in a little bit to 200, just to get a bit more colour and crispiness on the outside. So now we're making up our seasoning. So in my pestle and mortar, I have got half a teaspoon of black peppercorns, half a teaspoon of coriander seeds, 2 teaspoons of Chinese five spice, half a teaspoon of chili flakes, some salt, 2 teaspoons of sugar, tablespoon of garlic granules, and half a teaspoon of chili flakes. Can't remember if I mentioned that or not. So with the garlic and the chili, as you can see, I have used the dried versions. If you want to use some fresh garlic and put that in when we cook the peppers and the onion, you can more than happily do that. And again with chilies, if you want to use some fresh chilies and chop those, you can do that. But this is just an easy store cupboard way of making it. So just give everything a good crush and mix, and that is going to be our spice and our flavouring for this lovely dish. So my potatoes have been cooked for 30 minutes on 180, and then I went on 200. Now it's up to you. I think 5 to 10 minutes is good. And these are pretty crispy. Now it's going to depend on how much colour, how crispy you like your potatoes, but you do you cook them for however long you want. These are about good for me. They're nice and fluffy and soft in the middle because I've checked. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to set these aside and I'm going to keep these warm. All right, I'm going to stop bake and we're going to go on to sear and saute. And then I'm just going to use some spray oil at this point. Again, if you want to put vegetable oil, in and you want to pour it in, it's fine. You do whatever you like. It's just to lubricate the pot and for us to be able to cook our onion. So I've got 1 onion chopped up there, and we've got 1 red pepper and 1 green pepper. Now I just want to soften these down. And then what we'll do is we'll add our seasonings, add our potatoes in, and everything will be really well coated. I'm then going to heat my Chinese curry sauce. You can make your own or grab a shop bought one. And that's really nice for dipping and using on the side of this dish. So I'm going to start off on a high sear and saute, and then I'm going to turn it down. Just because we don't want these to colour too much and we don't want to have to use too much oil, because we obviously use quite a bit of oil on those potatoes already. I think once you get to a point where you feel like, you've got quite a bit of heat in there, just turn it down. So now these have had a good few minutes and you can see they're getting slight bits of colour. I've just turned down again, so I'm now on level 3. You will find sometimes that with the Ninja, level 4 is too much, level 3 is not enough, but just keep moving it in the pot. If it loses too much heat, then I can always turn up again. And I'm sure you will find the same situation. So when these are starting to soften down, if you are using fresh garlic and chili, I would probably suggest that you put that in around now, because you don't want to cook it for too long, but you want it to flavour it and be in there. However, we're using dried versions, so I can hold off on those until these are softened down a little bit more. Okay, so what I've decided to do is I'm actually going to put some of the spice mix in now, and then we will save a little bit of that back for when we add the potatoes. So let's cook that out there. My goodness, as soon as that hits the heat, the smell is incredible. It's so intense. Oh, look at the difference. They look incredible now. And it smells so, so nice. This is going to make a fantastic dinner. Let's add the potatoes back in. And all of that gorgeous spice mix that we made earlier. Give these a toss around and they're going to get coated in all of that gorgeous spices, and we are ready to serve. So here we are, salt and pepper Chinese roast potatoes, perfect dish for sharing for Christmas Eve. We've got a lovely Chinese style curry dipping sauce to go alongside them. They smell absolutely incredible. I wish you could smell this right now. These smell so good and I cannot wait to eat one. I've just grabbed a potato. I've had a little dip. It'd be rude not to give it a taste, wouldn't it? I think you're going to love this. Give it a go. Let me know what you think. If you don't do it for Christmas Eve, maybe for New Year's or between Christmas and New Year's. Thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to hit the like button for me and subscribe as well.